In the book of John chapter 14 verse 13, it says there, ask whatever you wish, and it shall give it to you. Lahat ba ng mga bagay na hingi natin kay Lord ay ibigay? No. Mayroon po tayong sinasabing hermeneutics, the arts and science of interpreting the Bible. And even it says that the best interpreter of the scripture is the scripture itself. Let us open our Bible in the 1 John chapter 5 verse 14. Ano nakasaad doon? If you ask anything, it shall be given to you according to His will. Therefore, mga kapatid, huwag na tayo magpaloko sa mga pastor na yan. Kasi sabi nila, pag ikaw ay mag-born again, yayaman ka kasi ibigay lahat. Pero mayroon po tayong proper interpretation of the Bible. That's why we need to ask our priest or us, not your pastors. Lulukuhin po tayo mga kapatid. Thank you so much. God bless us all.